Hey guys, welcome back to the channel once again. Today we'll learn about two most important reasons why one should major into computer science. But before we continue, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, do your best to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified as soon as possible. Now you and I know that every human being go to school today so at the end of the day he or she could get a better job so that he can live a better life in the future. So ask yourself this question: this course that I'm about to major into, will I be able to get a good job at the end of my course, at the end of the career? This is the most important question you ask yourself. And the second most important question is that how much will I be paid at the end of this course in case I am being employed after I graduated? So these are the two most important questions I want you to ask yourself today. So now let's check out the answers to these questions. Now let's go to Google and find out what are the most demanding jobs in recent times. So here we are, 12 jobs in high demand. Now let's check out number one. Number one, what is it? Computer manager. This with computer science. Let's check out number two, parallel grad. Let's go to number three, technical writer. Let's go to number four, web developer, computer science as well. Number five, financial manager. Come to number six, medical assistant. Number seven, software developer. Come to number eight, market research analysis. Come to number nine, substance abuse counselor. Come to number 10, health service manager. Statistician, number 11. And number 12, we have nurse practitioner. Now, among all these 12, there are 3 computer science jobs available, which shows that after this course, you are in a high demand in so many companies. So it is good to major into this course. Before we go, let's check out the salary range of these jobs we have searched. Now let's check the number one, computer manager. The median salary range is $151,150. Estimated job with 11%. Let's come to the second computer science job available, that's web developer. Now come here, we have the median salary range is $77,200, which is 13% estimated job growth. Now we come to the software developer. The salary range is $110,140 and estimated job growth is 22%. So among all this, it shows that computer science is a very good course one should major into. So make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell before you leave the channel. Our next video will be out very soon. Check out for it. Thank you for watching. Love you.